So welcome to QuickBook to Fusion Immigration. In today's webinar, we will discuss on the how to migrate from QuickBook to Fusion, right? So what are the reasons behind that QuickBook migration? So we will take a one case scenario and then we will discuss on that. So go to the next slide. In the day one agenda will be a walkthrough. That will be a walkthrough and what is the business need for migration from QB, that is abbreviation I am using, that is QuickBook to Fusion, right? And then we will discuss on the requirement gathering process. What are the gathering process we have in the when we are going to migrate from QuickBook to Fusion 1, and then what the existing system and proposed system we will do when I walk through that. All the things will be in the walkthrough, and it will be a bit of a lengthy one, I would say. And let's go and deep dive to that. So first thing is that there is a one fictitious, I have taken the name, that is ABCINC, right? That is ABCINC is in the, it has got a in business in US, right? It's a US based legal entity and have got a chart of accounts that is in the global level. It's want to use that particular one in the US, and it uses the natural calendar and having a functional currency as a USD, and it's used as accounting standard as US GAAP, right? And it started a new business in India, as India is a merging economy, so they having a ventured out into India. So they started a new company out here, that is ABCINC, right, in India. It uses this, so they want to, as the QuickBook is not supportive to India, right? So they are using out there as a desktop version of the QuickBook, right? They're using the desktop version as a for the QuickBook for their accounting needs, right? So that, and as they ventured out into India, the QuickBook, they don't want to implement that, and their requirement is as the scale of the business has been grown out, right? So some of the major reasons for business user to migrate to QuickBook to the Fusion, you can say the business has scaled up to global level and is realized the importance of GRC, right? So GRC is a governance, risk and compliance, is ensured the security and stability of an organization, and GRC is a framework that helps the business implement effective policies and procedures to manage risk and ensures compliances with the law and the regulation and maintains a good governance practices. So by implementing the GRC, the organization can identify the potential risk and take proactive measures to mitigate them, and ensures that the business operates smoothly and remains on track to achieve its goal in today's fast-paced and ever-changing business environment, right? So that is, GRC has become a critical component for any successful business, so they want to implement for that reason also. And also, as the business grown and expand its operation, right? So previously they are in the US base, right? So they are following the US GAAP. Now they have expand their business, or say operations, and become increasingly potential to the robust reporting system in place, right? So they require a reporting out here, right? And that includes both external and internal reporting, which provides real-time insight into the company performance and helps the management to make informated decisions with timely and accurate reporting, and business identifies the improvement and take corrective actions to save cost and drive growth. The effective reporting also helps the company to stay compliant with the regulatory requirements and maintain the transparency with stakeholders. So you can say the reporting is a crucial for business that wants to stay competitive and achieve longer term in the success, right? So that reporting they require, that is the foremost one, is the reporting also. And as the business continue to grow and expand its operation, it is it has become apparent that single centralized payment system with a better workflow, right? They got a disparate, if they implement another any other application, right? So the QuickBook is not supportive to India, they are only supportive to US and say Canada, and also in the UK, right? And it is not supportive out here, right? So they want such a kind of an application that 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 streamlines their centralized payment system, right, and have a better workflow, and multi-level approval is also needed, right? So they need a multi-level of approvals. This will streamline the process, ensures that all the transactions are properly authorized at the different level of an organization. In addition to that, the business also recognizes the need for better receivable management, allows real-time tracking of the outstanding customer balances. This will help the business to stay on top of its financials and improve the cash flow and provides better customer services. So these are the some of the reasons, and also there is a noteworthy of one more point that also required, that it is required, say they may require to comply with the multi-gap reporting, right? So out here you can see the multi-gap reporting, right? So in India you got a IAS standard that you had to comply, right? And so consolidation purpose you required a reporting, right? So either you can do with the secondary ledger in the fusion or using the reporting one, right? So that kind of flexibility it's give, right? In any other application you don't have that kind of a flexibility, and that too in the real time, right? That will be in the real time. You can have a view with the single consolidation view, you can have a reporting, you can do reporting to the management, right? So that kind of a reporting can be done, right? So that multi-level gap reporting standard, this means that it needs a reporting that financial results in the accordance with the more than one set of accounting principles. It important to take note of this requirement to ensure the compliance and avoid any negative consequences, right? So that is the foremost, the four of the things are required. That is, one is the multi-gap reporting they want a business as growth, so they want a better solution for single centralized payment, right? So that is centralized payment and better workflow, right? And on the top of that they also want to have a robust reporting system for external and internal reporting, so that reporting can be done from a single point of view, right? So that is there. And the GRC implementation, right? So governance, risk, compliance, right? So that is a very important for any company whenever they implement the ERP, right? So that is the foremost thing they required. And let's go to the next slide. Let's go walk through the business requirement, right? So let's go with the business requirement. What are the requirement gathering, right? What is the business requirement? Scalability and the global operation, integration suite, of application, advanced reporting and analytics, industry standard and best practices, cloud based infrastructure, enhanced security and role based permissions, and seventh one, not less not least, global support and enhancement with the future proofing technology. That is a business requirement, right? So let's go deeper to each and each one. That is, first one we will go with the scalability, right? So the one of the thing is that requirement gathering process, right? So let's go with that. So Oracle Fusion ERP is an enterprise resource planning solution that is significantly designed to handle the complex and large scale operations, right, as well as meet the requirement of global businesses. With its advanced capability, the Oracle Fusion ERP can effectively manage and expansion of the required company operation, as well as the provide a necessary scalability to support growth in the new market. This comprehensive ERP solution offers a wide range of features including financial management, procurement, project management, supply chain management, and human capital management. For all of can be customized to meet the specific need of businesses. It's a cloud-based architecture and ensures that business can access their data from anywhere in the world while also providing high level of data security and reliable, right? So that is the scalability and the global operations, right? So that will is required, that is a business requirement. They want that thing. They don't want to have a scattered, right? So that is scattered way of reporting. They don't. So if it is a desktop version, right, so all the data, whatever the data will be lying somewhere else, right? You don't have the any control over your data, right? So that is the thing. So they want a full proof of that, so that Oracle provides the best solution out of that. So they provide all the offerings whatever you want. Say you want a financial management as well as the procurement management, supply chain management, and human capital. That is, you can have a payroll related activity also, and future, and you can it can meet your future growth also. That kind of a data high level security is there that you can rely on, right? So that is there. And the integration of the application, the Oracle Fusion is having a powerful software solution that provides wide range of application to help the business manage their operation. The suite includes several modules such as financial, procurement, project management, again, and with the supply chain management and the HCM, SCM related activities module also, and other, and among others. These modules are designed to work together seamlessly, allowing for more streaming and efficiently workflow, right? With the Oracle Fusion, business can enjoy better visibility into the process and enables them to make more informed decision and improve overall performance. The software also provides advanced analytical and reporting capability, helping the organization to gain deeper insight into the operations and identify areas for improvement, right? So that is, it integrates with various type of applications and is also robust in the reporting capabilities, right? So it gives a deeper insight view of your organization and also helps to identify the area for improvements, right? So that is there. Now going to the Third point, that is advanced reporting and analytics, right? So let's go. Though Oracle Fusion offers wide range of reporting analytical tools that helps the company to deep dive into their financial performance, operational efficiency, and strategic decision making. Right, with the Oracle Fusion, businesses can generate detailed report that provides valuable insight into the key areas of their operation, including the sales, inventory, expenses, and more. The platform advanced analyticals and capabilities enables the company to analyze their data in the real time and identify the trend and the pattern and makes the informative decision based on the results. In contrast, that QuickBook Desktop Pro may not offer the same level of robust reporting analyticals and capabilities as Oracle Fusion, which could limit their insight availability of business that relies solely on this software. Right, so that is, it's not so robust as QuickBook Desktop Pro may be, but out here in the Oracle you will get all this best features of, say, operational key areas you can view, that is sales, inventory, expenses. Right, so these things you can view, the reports you can view, the KYC KPIs you can touch on, right? Key performance index you can go through that. So these things you can view from the single UI, right? So that kind of a visibility is there, right? So that is why the business requirement is there. That's why they choose this particular application, right? So some of the more features, let's go with the industry standard and best practices. Oracle is an enterprise resource planning software, that is ERP. It is an ERP software that designed to adhere to industry standards and modern best practices. It provides a comprehensive suite of business applications that helps organizations of all size and industry to streamline their operations and reduce cost and enhance productivity. One of the key benefits of the Oracle Fusion is ability to ensure the compliance with the regulatory requirements, including financial reporting, data privacy, and security. Additionally, it offers features and functionality that helps the company to stay up to date with evolving business norms such as cloud-based deployment, mobile access, and artificial intelligence power analytics. May leverage the Oracle Fusion business to gain competitive edge in their respective market and achieve sustainable growth in the long run. Right, so that is a that's why the client has choose for Fusion, right? So they want these things to be implemented in the application, right? Cloud-based infrastructure. The Fusion is comprehensive cloud-based solution that caters to need of modern business. It offers numerous benefits, including availability of data, access data and application from anywhere, anytime, using any device. With automatic update and maintenance, the business can rest assured that the system are always up to date with latest features and enhancement. Additionally, the Oracle Fusion provides cost-effective alternative to traditional IT infrastructure, reduce need of on-site hardware and maintenance. On the other hand, the QuickBook Pro is an on-premise solution that lacks their benefit and requires the business to manage their own IT infrastructure, which can result the increased cost and reduce flexibility, right? So sixth is the enhanced security role based permission. So Oracle is a powerful platform that offers a wide range of security features to safeguard sensitive information. One of the key security feature is single sign-on capability, right? That is a single sign-on capability which allows user to access multiple application and system using the single set of login credentials. This not only streamlines the login process but also minimize the risk of security breach caused by weak and compromised password. In addition to the single sign-on, the Oracle Fusion also provides robust role-based user permission. This means that access to sensitive data is controlled and restricted based on specific role and responsibility for each user within the organization. This helps ensures that only authorized personnel having access to sensitive information, reduces the risk of data leak, unauthorized modification or deletion, and other security threats. So overall, the security feature of Oracle Fusion are designed to provide comprehensive protection of your data, organization data, while also ensures that access to critical information is controlled and transparent and auditable, right? So that is, and the seventh, support and enhancement with the future full proof technology. So you can see that it can be reported that level of support by QuickBooks desktop has decreased, as it is now only supports in United States, Canada and United Kingdom, right? So that is, and however the Oracle provides comprehensive global support and commitment to ongoing platform enhancement. This means that company who is utilizing the Oracle Fusion can expect timely and effectively assist as well as the continuous improvement in the platform to meet the evolving needs. With its global reach and dedicated to innovate, the Oracle Fusion is excellent choice for organization for seeking the reliable and high quality business solution. And continuous evaluation of the technology has brought a new advanced cloud solution, that is Oracle Fusion, that is more flexible and better equipped to adapt to the changes and business needs. The migrating to Fusion not only streamlines the business process and also ensures that company is future foolproof against any uncertainties that may arise. The, the platform is designed to handle the complex business operation with ease, provide seamless experience to its users. It is robust feature and functionalities allow business to operate more efficiently, which in turn needs to increase their productivity and profitability. With the Oracle Fusion, business can stay ahead of competition as well as the position of advantages of new opportunities as they merge, right? So that is the global support and enhancement with the future proof technology. Let's walk through to the requirement gathering, right? So first process is Requirement gathering is a crucial phase in the project management and the software development. It involves in collecting documents and manage the requirement that defines the feature and the functionality of a system or application. The first step is to assign the roles. When starting a project, it is important to identify the stakeholders' involvement in it. Stakeholders plays the crucial role in the determining the success of a project. They can be either internal or external to the organization. The internal stakeholders may include customer, department manager, board members, project manager, designer, testers, developers. The external stakeholder may include supplier, vendor, partner, government agencies, and regulatory bodies. Each stakeholder has unique perspective and interest in the project. Identifying and the involving of a stakeholder earlier in the project helps to analyze the project scope, determines the solution needs, and the manage expectations through project lifecycle. It is essential to communicate clear and regularly with all the stakeholders to ensure the project is progress as planned and their needs are to be met, right? So that is assigning the rules. After the assigning the rules, we will define the project scope. To successful execution a project, it is important to have a clear understanding of proposed objective and boundaries. This includes identifying in and out of the scope, documentation, high level requirements that will guide the project development. Third one is the illicit details requirement. In particular, when the detailing with the vendor, the customer master detail is essential to only consider the active supplier. It is essential to only consider the active supplier or the vendor, as this will ensure that the data being used is up to date and accurate. Additionally, when analyzing the financial balances for comparative purposes, it is recommended that data from the past 2 years is used. This will provide the comprehensive overview of the financial performance of the organization, enables the better decision making and planning. To develop the successful project, it is crucial to involve the stakeholders in every stage. On way to achieve this by conducting the interview, workshop, survey, and other techniques to engage the stakeholder effectively. It is essential to capture both functional and non-functional requirements. To understand the project scope and ensure its success. Once all the requirements are gathered, it is important to prioritize them based on their business value to ensure that the essential features are delivered first. Now, document requirements. To ensure the successful project outcome, it is crucial to create comprehensive requirement documents that outlines all the necessary details. The documents should include detailed description of the project requirement, include all the features and functionality that are expected to be delivered. In addition to the requirement document should be specify the acceptance criteria that defines how the project delivers will be measured against the project objective. The document should also include any constraints and limitations. This might be a project scope, timeline, and the budget. To create effective requirement document, it is recommended to use tools like such as case are helpful, or say user stories and flowcharts. Use of case are helpful in identifying the various scenarios that the system or product will be used in. User stories helps to capture the user's perspective and define the requirement in the more user friendly way. Flowchart are useful in visualizing the process flow and identify any potential bottleneck or say issues in the system. By using these tools, you can create comprehensive requirement document that outlines all the necessary details and ensures the successful project outcome. Let's say fifth point is the review and validation. When embarking on the new project, it is essential to review the requirement with all the stakeholders involved. This will help that the project requirement align with the overall business growth and objective. The process of reviewing the requirement with the stakeholder involves identifying any discrepancies and conflicts and address them in the timely and effective manner. By doing so, you can help ensure that the project will meet the needs of all parties involved and stay on track to deliver the desired outcome. Additionally, this allows for improve the collaboration and the communication between all the stakeholders, which can lead to more successful project overall. And maintain the requirement throughout the project. Yes, it is important to continue manage the project requirements as the project progresses to ensure that the project stay on track and meet its goal. This involves monitoring and analyzing the changes in the business environment, stakeholder needs, and the project constraint as they rise and adjust the project requirement accordingly. It is also important to document any changes made in the requirement and communicate them to all stakeholders involved in the project and ensures that everyone is aware of the change on the same and are on the same page, right? By the continuous managing the project requirement, you can help ensure that the project stay aligned with its goal and objective throughout its life cycle. Now propose solutions. So Oracle Financial is comprehensive say financial management. So Oracle Fusion Financial is a comprehensive suite for application that provides all encompass financial management solution. The general ledger module in Oracle Fusion helps to configure your GL account, journal entries, financial reporting, and provides robust feature for managing financial transactions. The module seamlessly integrates with top-rated services vendor like Onada, Exinets, Reuters, XE, European Central Banks, and many more. Right? So Oracle Fusion Financials also provide multi-dimensional financial analysis, which integrates with Excel using SmartView and Financial Reporting Studio. This industry best breeds of financial analytics is a powerful tool that simplifies the financial data analysis and reporting for the business. In the Oracle accounting account payables, you can set up the vendor payment terms and approval workflow. The AP modules streamlines the invoice process and payment disbursement. The invoice scanning feature in the Oracle Fusion helps in loading the bulk invoices and perform validation and match, with reducing the 80% of the manual efforts, time and labor efforts to the greater extent. The module also delivers the integration with Excel using ADFDI tools to bulk load the vendor invoices. Oracle Fusion Financial provides real-time exchange rate, which helps in business to account for vendor customer invoices and payments in the foreign currency in the real time. The live exchange feature can be used for different time intervals such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and so on. In Oracle accounting receivables, you can have defined the customer credit terms, invoice process. AR in the Oracle Fusion ensures efficient management of receivables. In the Oracle cash management module is capable of automatic bank reconciliation statement, which automatically reconciles the statement transaction with the system transaction and reduce lot of time and efforts for the treasury department. Oracle Fusion Financial delivers a feature where the company can do the complex planning budgeting related to cost budgeting, capital budget, revenue budget, workforce planning, project expenditure planning. This enables the business to stay on top of the financial goal and make the informative decision based on the financial data. Now next point is the procurement and inventory. The Oracle procurement is a powerful tool that can be configured to meet the specific procurement need of the business. This includes capable for establish procurement rules, manage purchase orders, streamline supplier management. In Oracle Fusion procurement module, the purchasing efficiency is greater enhanced. The supplier iPortal, for instance, provides centralized platform where the supplier can easily interact with the procurement team. Oracle Inventory, on other hand, enables the business to manage their inventory efficiently. This includes setting up of inventory items, location, inventory valuation methods. The inventory management functionality offers by the Oracle Fusion are designed to ensure the accurate stock control. This means the business can easily track the inventory level, product monitor the product movement, and maintain the optimal stock level. With the Oracle inventory, business can be minimize cost, reduce wastage, and improve overall inventory management. So reporting and analytics, that is, Oracle provides financial reporting in powerful tool, enables the user to create range of financial statement including balance sheet, income statement, cash flow reporting. These reports can be generated using the Oracle Fusion reporting tool, which provides both schedule and on-demand report capabilities. With ability to create both external and internal report, user can easily manage their financial data and make informative decision. Additionally, the Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, that is OTBI, and Business Intelligence Publisher, that is BIP, are available to provide advanced analytics and data visualization, and decision making insight. OTBI and BI are powerful tools that are designed to provide pixels perfect and ensures that a user have access to the information they needs in the format they require. Whenever you look at the look to the create details financial reports or to gain insight into your business operation, Oracle Fusion financial reports and associate tools are ideal solutions. Now going to the security and user roles, it essential it is in the Oracle Fusion, it is essential to define user role, permission and security profile to ensure that the control access to the sensitive data. By identifying these parameters, the organization can regulate the access of the data and ensures that only authorized person can view and manipulate the sensitive information. Moreover, the platform also provides audit trail that are available for auditor to track and monitor the activity of the users. These audit trails are critical in identifying any unauthorized access or suspicious activity and take prompt action to prevent any potential data breach. Additionally, the Oracle Fusion offers single rule capability that helps the auditor to track each transaction with the single view. This feature provides comprehensive view for all the transaction, makes it easier to auditor to analysis monitor and analyze the data effectively. Now moving to the tax configuration, setting up for tax rule, tax rate and jurisdiction as per your specific business need can be a complex and time consuming task. However, the Oracle Fusion Management Module compliance can be simplified. This module offers range of features that can help the efficient manage your tax related tasks such as configure tax rule, tax calculating tax rate and manages tax jurisdiction. Additionally, the module also enables you to generate multi-gap report by using secondary ledger, help you to ease compliance with different accounting standard. Overall, the Oracle Fusion Tax Management module can help you to streamline your tax related process and save time and ensures the compliance with ease. Cloud deployment and accessibility. The Oracle Fusion Cloud based infrastructure that provides you with flexible and remote access you need. By migrating to Oracle Fusion, the maintenance is hassle free and this comes with the on-premise infrastructure. With Oracle Fusion you have reliable and secure platform that can help streamline your business operation while reducing the cost. So Oracle Global Support and Enhancement. The Oracle Fusion is powerful software suite that offers global support and continuous improvement. With its robust feature of capability, it helps the business to stay ahead of the competition. It ensures that the the business user always have access to latest enhancement. The Oracle Fusion provides quarterly enhancement patches that are completely free of charge. These patches are designed to address any issues that may rise to keep the software running smoothly. By using the Oracle Fusion, business can be confident that they always be up to the date with latest feature and improve and can take advantages of many benefits to achieve their goal and objectives. Change in the management training. In order to ensure the smooth transition, it is essential to communicate the transition plan for all stakeholders involved. This will help them to understand the process, any changes and may implement. Additionally, it is important to provide the proper training to all employees on how to use the Oracle Fusion effectively. This will help them to be more efficient and productive, and their work ensures that they are able to adapt to the new process and system to smooth as possible. By effective communicating and transition plan and provide training, and organization can minimize any potential disrupt and ensure the successful transition of Oracle Fusion. So that's it for. Thanks for joining this webinar. In the next webinar we will go over to the immigration of entire QuickBook process to Fusion. So thanks again.